morning, everyone. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a blessed day on today. Today we're going to make a baked pork shoulder roast. This is a request by one of my viewers. Okay, here are our ingredients. I have like 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/4 cup of vinegar. Now the vinegar is optional. You do not have to use it, but this is what I'm going to use. Rinse my pork off. Now I'm adding some vinegar, probably about 1 cup of vinegar. And I'm also adding some salt. I'm just going to let this going to help clean my meat. I'm going to let that sit in there. And in the morning, it'll be ready to cook. Rinse the water off. And now, I'm going to take this out and I'm going to be ready to cook. What I'm getting ready to do now, I'm getting ready to rub this vinegar in here. Another thing I'm going to do, I'm going to punch holes in it. Just a few holes. Okay. Okay. Turn it over. Do the same. Now this can be, this step can be omitted. This is something I'm doing to mine, but you do not have to do this. You can just put your seasoning on it, but I'm putting vinegar in mine because this is the taste that I want. Okay, now y'all remember the three, the salt, black pepper, and garlic powder. I'm getting ready to Can y'all see? This is what you do. Just sprinkle it on here, on this side, on the sides, on this other, on the back side. Make sure y'all get all those spices in there really well, okay? Now, if you don't want all that salt, you can always not put as much. A lot of people can't have it, and so you don't have to put as much salt. You be the judge. You know what you can have and what you can't have. Okay. Alrighty. Move this over. And y'all, I'm using this. Let me show y'all. I'm using this roasting pan. It's an electric roasting pan, and you can set it. This works very, very well. And y'all see I got a rack in there. This is what I'm going to set my my pork roast on. If you don't have one of these, this is a good investment when you don't want your house all heated up. This does make it heat up a little bit, but not much. As an oven. Okay, and this cooks just like an oven. Y'all see? Tell you what you can, how you can slow cook, roast, bake, steam, or just keep warm. Okay. Let me move my pan over. Move this. Now I'm putting my pork roast on the rack inside there. I don't know if I should cook it. I think I'm just going to leave it just like this because I want the top to be crispy. So I got some vinegar. Then I'm putting the remainder that I got off the tray. I'm putting that on there because we want it all. Okay, y'all, I'm going to set this at 375 and I'm going to let this bake and I'm going to be right back. Okay, y'all, here's my pork roast, as y'all can see. Getting ready to check the temperature. See if it's ready. Because if it's 160, it is ready. So let me see. Let me bring it up where y'all can see it. Y'all see it? I may not be able to see it for the steam, but I'm reading it's 175. So it's ready. Okay, so it's ready. Y'all want to see how it looks? And what I'm gonna do, if you want the skin side more crispier, you can put it in the oven, and that's what I'm getting ready to do. My oven on broil. I probably won't put it on high. I'm gonna put it on low and see how that works. But y'all, this is how it looks. I have been away from the house ever since I put it on. And so this is how it looked when I got back. Okay, y'all, as y'all can see, I have put my pan inside the oven. See this, the roaster I got, it has a pan inside of it. You can take the pan that's on the inside out and just, and just use it. And so that's what I'm doing. I decided this to take the whole pan out of the roaster. And then I'm gonna let this, like I said, I have put my oven on broil because I want my skin to be crispy. I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I'm letting y'all see it's getting crispy. Like I said, I end up turning it on high because I want crispy skin on my. Get ready to get it out. It's about all crispy. If you want yours more crispier than this, leave it in the oven. I just want it like this. I'm gonna show y'all as soon as I get it, take it out of the oven. I'm gonna show y'all my final result. Okay. Okay, here it is. This how crispy I want mine. I'm gonna let y'all hear this. Can y'all hear that crispiness? This all crispy I want mine. If you want it just like crackling crispy, keep it in there. Keep it under the broiler for a few more minutes. Just keep a check on it because you don't want it burnt. But this is how I want mine. Okay? Now I'm getting ready to slice my pork roast. That y'all see? Y'all, it is tender. Look how tender it is. Look how tender. Let me cut another piece. It is ready. Okay, with these roasts, you can make pulled pork. Let's see. I'm just showing y'all how I'm slicing it. And cut some more of that skin off. Okay, showing y'all how it. Okay. ready. All right. That's all of them cut off. All right. Let me just let y'all see here. Look, it's trying. My battery's getting low, y'all. And y'all see my pork. Like I say, y'all can use this for pulled pork or just roasted pork and just serve it with some vegetables and a roll or something. But this is it, y'all. It was in the oven for like 4 hours and a half. If you want to, you don't have to cook it that long. But mine was in there like just cook it for about like 4 hours. It was like 9 pounds. And so y'all, get ready before my phone leaves us. Okay? I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day. And bye-bye for now. Okay, hello y'all. We got a new taste tester. I got my grandson, Christian. He getting ready to taste this pork roast. And I'm going to he got a sandwich. Let me show y'all open it up so we can see what's in it. He got plenty of hot sauce on it, y'all. He loves hot sauce. Okay. Well, we're going to let him taste it.
It's good. The skin is crispy, it's juicy and tender.
Yay. Right.
And it's not too spicy.
Y'all, the flavor is just right on it. The seasoning is not too much, not too salty. So y'all try this recipe. I'm going to let Christian go ahead so he can enjoy his sandwich. And he just wanted to share his taste test with us. And so we're going to say what?
Bye-bye for now.
Okay, y'all have a blessed day.